Hello, and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. Well, again, I have a good one for you today, and it's going to be a shorty. I just want to show you some things that I do. So today, I'm going to make what I call a hot sea moss drink. A hot sea moss drink. So I just want to share this with you. There are times when I want something hot to drink, and not hot water, not hot tea, and not hot coffee. I want something else. And so I have been making hot sea moss drink. So I just want to share this with you, okay? Thank you to all of my, y'all, we reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. You all are the best. You all are the best. Yes, you are. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful. So grateful. And I want you to be grateful too. Because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have made it. But we are moving forward. Oh yeah. So we're moving forward towards 2,000. We're not stopping. We're I'm just actually getting started. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I'm going to talk to you for a second as my water gets hot over there. Thank you to all of my subscribers, the new subscribers, those who are new to the channel. Thank you. Welcome to Team Get Healthy Now Mastery, and welcome you into my laboratory. This is where my chemistry takes place. So I want you all to just stay with me, okay? Just stay with me. We are going on a health journey. We're going on a healing journey. Oh, yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes. For God said, beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper, be in good health, as your soul prospers. As your soul prospers. So I just want to share. I just got to share this with you. And you notice on day 4, we talked about me getting out the box, me burning the box. I brought my ashes back so I could show y'all the ashes. I burned the box up so I cannot go back and refurbish that box. It cannot happen. And I'm grateful for that, but I just want to show y'all my ashes. All righty. I'm thoroughly excited. I'm going to share something very personal with you on a video coming soon called Life After Death. Life After Death. So stay tuned. I don't know which day, but one day I'm going to share that with you. Okay, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and send me a comment. And go ahead and share this information. I love you all so much, so much. You know, day 4, we talked about sea moss. We talked about the sea moss, how it improves metabolism, how it improves circulation, how it improves thyroid function, how it relieves the pain from joints and muscles, how it nourishes the hair and skin. It increases your energy, and it's good for digestive health. So we're going to do this sea moss hot drink today. And I'm going to add some walnuts to it. Usually I don't add walnuts, but today I am, just to show you can add walnuts to it. And walnuts are good for colorectal cancer, to prevent colorectal cancer. The other thing walnuts are good for is gut health. It has a powerful source of omega-3, and it decreases inflammation. So there you have it. And I have the walnuts. We're going to use cinnamon. We're going to use a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and I don't know how much I just put in there, and a banana, and of course the sea moss. And it doesn't matter how much sea moss you use. So I'm probably going to use an abundance of that. Before we get started, I'm really waiting on my water to heat up over there. Y'all, I'm excited. Y'all, I just want to remind you about your portfolio. Your portfolio. Okay, your health portfolio. Please keep that with you. Please write in your health portfolio what you want your health to be. Absolutely. What are you projecting? What are you projecting your health to be in 2026? Again, you know we're going into a new cycle on December the 21st. And it's a cycle of rest. We're going through a period of resting and connecting with ourselves. We'll talk about that when we get closer to it. But if you are juicing and if you are eating raw, you are preparing yourself to do just that. You're preparing yourself to do just that. So, having said all of that, this is not going to be a long video. Sometimes I'm trying to look at the time up there. Sometimes I don't want the video to be so long. And so this is where we are. Just remember that CMOS has, if I'm not mistaken, if I have my numbers correct, CMOS has 92 of the 104 minerals that we need on a daily basis. 92 of the 104 minerals. You all, so I just want to encourage us all to do all in our power to get healthy now mastery. We got to master this thing. Yes, we do. We got to master it. So we're going to get started. I have a banana. So we're going to put a banana in there. Y'all, this is an awesome drink. It's an awesome drink. So I want you all to, hopefully you will try it. And it's simple. Again, y'all know, Margie, simple life, simple living. Y'all know me. And I'm going to pour the walnuts in there. Then I'm going to put the cinnamon in there. Let's see, yeah. A teaspoon of cinnamon. I got a heaping teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're going to put that in there. And a teaspoon, and this flavor is simply organic, pure vanilla. It's non-alcoholic. We're going to put a teaspoon of flavor. Oh, yeah. Then we're going to put the, and I just squeeze it in there till I think that it's good. So that might be a tablespoon. You know me, I have no idea of how to gauge that. And then I'm going to put, I want you to look and see how much I'm getting. I'm not measuring that. That might be 2 tablespoonfuls. And I probably put maybe 4 tablespoons, maybe 5. It's what you want to do. It's what you want to do. There's no specific measurements. I promise you. No specific measurements. What's our time? Okay, we're good. So, look like our water is coming to a boil over there. And just know, we're at day 5 of December already. Day 5. Raw-Cember. Raw-Cember. And you all doing the juices and the salads that I've been doing. I don't get hungry. And I haven't been eating as much. My appetite this is all that's helping my appetite. That's what I'm saying. Yes. Okay. And this is 2 cups of water. We're going to put it down in the blender. 2 cups of water. And we're going to close it up. And precaution, throw a towel over top of your blender because this water is hot, so you don't want it to shoot back up and burn you. So this is what you want to do. And then we're just going to turn it on. Let's see if you can let you see this. And we're gonna just blend it up. Turn it up a little bit. This is all it is to it, y'all. Very simple. And you basically can add whatever you want to add in your smoothie. I usually do put bladderwrack in it, but I don't have any bladderwrack right now. So we're going with that. It smells good. It smells good. I'm going to taste it before I pour it in my cup. Okay. That's good. That is good. So I'm going to pour it in the cup. Let you see it. Oh my goodness. I'm going to set that right back there. See it? There's your cup of hot sea moss drink. Y'all, it tastes so good. It tastes so soothing, shall I say, and smooth. But it is good. Cheers. You all got to try this. Oh, you got to try it. When you think you want, those of you who like to drink hot cocoa, hot chocolate, you like to drink hot chocolate, try this. Try this. This would take the place of your hot chocolate. I promise you. Oh, and it would take the place of your coffee. Y'all, you got to do it. You got to do it. Oh, and it feels so good. You know, food should make us very active. Very active. Okay, we get ready. We're getting ready to, I'm getting ready to shut up. I'm so excited, y'all. Ooh. And if you want another flavor, if you want lemon flavor, get lemon. If you want to get, you know what I should have done? I should have got some, I think the next time I make this, I'm going to put some, what is the nice cream that I made? Y'all know, come on. It's some warrior, what? Pumpkin spice. I'm going to put some pumpkin spice in it the next time. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to put a little bit of pumpkin spice in that. So stay with me. Give me the opportunity to put a little bit of pumpkin spice in here. And then I'm going to turn it back on and I'm going to taste it. See, y'all got my creative juices going here. Oh my goodness, y'all went to back. Let's see. Y'all be patient with me. Y'all know I'm always gonna leave y'all and go do something, go find something. You all got me like this, trying different things. Oh yeah, we're gonna try this, and then we'll see how it is. See, the Sun Warrior pumpkin spice powder. Oh yeah. Let's just put a little bit in here. Just a little bit. And we're just gonna see that go in there. See how it tastes, how it comes out. I'll let you know. Let's see. Make it blended up enough. I can use this glass right here. Oh yeah. Y'all see what y'all made me do? Oh. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is the bomb. Oh my goodness. goodness. This is the bomb. Cheers. Oh my. See, I told you can mix it up however you want to. Oh. And if you want chocolate flavor, get you some cacao powder. Or you can mix up raw cocoa. Yeah, raw cocoa. Yo. Okay, I'm going. Thank you all so much for tuning in with me, taking a ride on my journey with me. And we are going to journey this journey together. We're journeying this journey together. Again, thank you to all of my subscribers, to the new subscribers. I love you all so much. I'm giving you a hug right now. I'm giving you a hug. Yes, I am. Don't forget to exercise. Do not forget to exercise. Don't forget to write in your health portfolio booklet. Don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to rest. Definitely. Don't forget to juice. Don't forget to eat raw. I love you much. Give me a thumbs up. Send me a comment. Share this information with your family and friends. Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. Y'all, oh my gosh. Woo. That is it right there. Now this is good, but this added another kick to it. Okay, I'm going. All right, to the next video. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.